Yeah. So those of you who have started solving, good guys. So 16 power 41 plus 2 power 7925 and 16 power n. Right. So we have three terms, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So let me try to reduce this number into smaller powers of 2. Let's try to do it. So what is 16 power 41? So can I write it as 2 power 4 whole power 41? Yes. 2 power 7925, it is already reduced to the simplest form. What about 16 power n? Can I again write it as 2 power 4 whole power n? Yes, I can always write it like this. Now I can see something which is peculiar, which is I can see 2 power 4, I can see a value here, and I can see a middle term here. Correct? Let's try to further reduce. Let's assume that I'm going to reduce it into a value which is something which I can understand from this power. So 2 power 4 into 41. So which means that whenever it is 2 power a whole power b, I can always write it as 2 power a into b. So what is here? So 2 power 4 into 41 is nothing but 4 into 41 is 164. So I'm writing it as 2 power 164. Can I further divide it as and write it like 2 power 82 whole square, so that it gives me some value? 2 power 82 whole square, 2 power 7925, I cannot do anything, I can keep it like that. 2 power 4 whole power n. I'm also trying to write this as square of some value. So what will I get? 2 power 2n. So I get it as 2 power 2n. The whole square is nothing but 2 power 4 whole power n. Correct? Now, can you guys understand what I'm trying to understand from this particular or analyze from this particular question? That is, I am trying to write this number in the format of a square plus 2ab plus b square, because if I write this, the final value would be a plus b the whole square, which means that this is definitely going to be a perfect square. Correct? A plus b the whole square is a perfect square, right? Yes, for sure. So when I get the format of this question as a square plus 2ab plus b square, then my question is, I will just easily find the value of b, because it is definitely going to be a perfect square. Any equation which has a square plus 2ab plus b square is definitely going to be a perfect square. Correct? Rather than taking random values, assuming, I think this is going to be the best method. So try to convert it in the form of a square plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Good. So this is nothing but a square. I clearly understand it. This is nothing but b square. I completely understand this. So what is this then? This got to be 2ab. This got to be 2ab. So what is the value of a? Yes, a to the power square. So which means that this has to be 2 power 82 plus, we know the value of a as 2 into 2 power 82 into b. So what is the value of b? Let's try to figure it out. B square is nothing but 2 power 2n the whole square. So b's value is nothing but 2 power 2n. Correct? So I can write it as 2 power 2n here directly. So now just taking the next slide. Hope you guys understood this. So which means that it is very evident that I know the value of a, I know the value of 2ab also, but I don't know the value of b square. Now is it not easy to find the value of b when I equate 2ab, which is equal to 2 power 7925? Yes, correct, because we know the value of a. So 2 into 2 power 82, which is the value of a, and b's value is 2 power 2n. This is what we know, which is equal to 2 power 7925. So we have only one unknown. Let us try to figure out. So can I cancel this 2 with this? I'm trying to solve it to the next step. So I'm cancelling this 2 with 1 2 from this. is 2 power 7925. So this will get reduced to 4, 7924. So I get the value to be 2 power 82 into 2 power 2n, which is equal to 2 power 7924. The reason is I've cancelled this with this, or I can also call it, I bring it this side, so I should divide it by 2, so I can reduce 1 2 from the power. So now because the base is same, I can always add my powers when it is in the multiplication. When the base is same, I can always add the power. So which is 82 plus 2n, which is equal to 7924. So what is 2n, which is equal to 7924 minus 82. So where we get the value to be 2. So here I should definitely take a carryover. So I get 12. So I get the value to be 4, 8 and 7. So this is nothing but 2 power n is equal to 7824. So value of n is 7842 by 2. So my value is 3921. So value of n is 3921, so that your entire equation is a perfect square. Did you guys understand it?